Good day everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel, and in this video we're talking about how to link Patreon on Discord. So did you just join a new Patreon tier but you're missing out on the Discord chat? Let's fix that. So first, a quick warning, you must use a browser. So in this year the mobile app still doesn't support the full authorization process. So just open up your browser and log into Patreon. I will also be showing you this tutorial. After that, you just tap on your profile icon and head to settings. Alright, so this is what it is. Profile icon and go to settings. And as you can see, you will have a prompt here in the settings to easily connect your Discord. And after that, if you don't find this, just look for the More drop-down or swipe the top menu to find connected apps. And then simply just find Discord and hit connect. This will trigger a pop-up. If your browser blocks it, just hit allow so the handshake can finish. And after that, you just log into your Discord account when prompted and hit authorize. Once you're back on Patreon, you'll see a list of available servers. That's it for this one, guys. You're officially part of the inner circle. If the setup guide helped you unlock your rewards today, smash like and subscribe.